So friends, now I am going to explain a very unique features of this video switcher is copy options. Using this copy option, you can easily copy the data from key 1 to key 2 or from any key to any another key to make same size or same parameter window or pocket. Suppose here I am making a window or pocket in key 1. So to do that, double tap key 1, insert source, type should be full, insert signal is here, let it be any color, so it will be easy to understand for seeing. Color bar. Okay, so now look at my monitor. You cannot see any key effect on preview because I didn't turn on the key 1 in preview. So to turn on the key 1 in preview, have to press background with key 1. Now you can see multi-view monitor. You can see the key 1 in preview as a source of color bar. So now I will adjust the size and position. Leave from here and have to go position. First have to on my DB, otherwise DB pocket cannot be resized. DB on. Now I will resize it. Size. Using rotary switch I will make it proper size. You can see my monitor, but it didn't affect. Yeah, you can see the size. I am adjusting from here. Suppose this is my actual size, and now I need to fix its positions. So using the joystick I am positioning the key 1 window. Yes, suppose this one my key 1 color bar window. Now I would like to make another window with same parameter, same size in key 2. So to do that I have to press again key 2, again insert source, etc, but I am going to do not like that, because there is a very easy option is copy. Using copy option, key 1 data will be automatically copied to key 2, but you can't find any copy button or options in the panel. So for that you have to use a user button. So suppose I am want to create a copy option in user button 5. So for that, double tap, the user button 5 menu will open. Now type the menu and the function, there should be copy. You can see copy. Yes, swap also, exchange data between two keyers, copy. So now key 6 user button is assigned for copy function. Sorry, user button 5 is assigned for copy function. So if I press user button 5, you can see in display key 1 target, key 2. Copy, execute. So now key 1 data is copied to key 2. I want to copy key 1 data in flex key 1. Copy, execute. I want to copy key 1 data in flex key 2. Copy, execute. Now see in my monitor, you can see only one window, that is key 1. But to see the key 2, I have already on in next transition pressing background key 1 and key 2. So here tap key 2, go to the position. Using the joystick, you can easily move the key 2. Now want to see, now you want to see about flex key 1. So flex key 1 you cannot see in preview window. In user button also I have created flex key user button 1 for flex key 1 preview. So pressing this flex key, this one key 1, key 2 along with flex key 1 preview. Now you can see only 2, that is key 1, key 2. Now go to flex key 1, go to position, using joystick, this one is flex key 1. Again want to see flex key 4. So same, pressing background key 1, key 2, flex key 1, flex key 2. Now see in my multi-view monitor, you can see now flex key 1 data, key 1 window, key 2 window, flex key 1 window, and now we are able to see flex key 2 window by pressing here and go to the position, position. Now using the joystick, you can see in the monitor data is coming from key 1 location. Yes, like that. Now you can change the source easily. Suppose you want to change key in key 1 data, in key 1 source maybe input 1, you can see here. In key 2 source maybe input 2, you can see here. In flex key 1, actually there is no others input. Okay, let me check, it should be, yes, sub effect 9, input 10, not input 10, button 10. Flex key 2 sub effect button number 9 should be, yes. So in this way you can make easily same size window or pocket by using the copy option. It is very useful to make multiple window with same size very quickly and easily. Now you can easily take it to your PGM by pressing the cut button. You can see. Now you can change the background also. Just pressing this one. Got it? If you want to change